Every week counts now. We're in the playoffs right now, man. Let's go.
You're either the hunter or the hunted. From the first snap to the last, we hunt. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, win.
What a run by Rashad Penny. It's a 30-yard pickup, and he ran for 161 yards.
Tries to get around the edge. He does. He's to the pylon, and he's in. Touchdown.
That's a start right there.
I ain't gonna lie, I had the jitters on that first drive, but we good now. Let's go.
This ain't over though. They high powered now. We gotta play D and then score again.
You just gave up a sack, but it's cool. You saving that sack for later?
I'm gonna take it.
Keep hitting the ball. It is moving now, and it's primed to come out.
Here comes Watt. Knocks the ball out.
Toward the end zone. That ball is picked off by Jalen Ramsey.
All day. Hey, all day. Hey, appreciate that, man.
No little boy.
It's big boy.
No little boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lamar Jackson, we are seeing all kind of creativity. Keeps it, runs off right tackle, weaves his way out to the 45-yard line. Jackson keeps it on the fake handoff. Lamar Jackson moves the chain.
Big boy. No little boy. Right now, make him. Stop him. Make him. Full freaking speed. Full freaking speed.
Deep shot, Julio Jones, and he caught it.
Hilton makes the catch, spins out of a tackle, then crosses the football across the goal line. Touchdown, Colts, T.Y. Hilton.
Hey, we're having too much fun. You gotta make the simple plays. The simple plays.
They swag.
There ain't nothing spectacular. We just gotta make it simple. Matchups, man. Matchups. I like them. I like them. Hey, just be real detailed and disciplined with everything you're doing, all right? Route depths. All right, a lot of it's man-to-man coverage. You just got to beat man. What do you want me to do on defense? 4th and 1. You want me to go for this? Get after it? You want me to punt? 4th and 1 if we get to it.
We don't get paid to make head coaching jobs like that. You gotta ask Wayne.
I go for it. Hey, you have my back, then. I'll have yours because I want to keep them on the field.
All right, we kicking their ass. Whenever they got to go the distance, we're kicking their ass. But, hey, make the call, and we'll play with it.
Keep it going. I smell the palm trees, man. Let's go. We got this. Let's go.
And the Saints continue to dance in the Superdome.
Fireworks fly off the peristyle end of the Coliseum. LA together.
Greatness. Greatness. Greatness.
Opportunity for us to get a pick. Very close.
Throws, pitch, intercepted. There goes Eddie Jackson to the 10, 5, end zone, touchdown. Kick 6.
Watermelon zoom. Look at the details. Oh, Lord. Look at the details. Oh, Lord.
Lamar Jackson's first start in the NFL gives the Ravens their 5th win of the season.
We got to get a game ball for the rookie. Lamar Jackson, you are 1-0. Also, I'll say this. Happy Thanksgiving. See you guys next Monday.